In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can create a fast UDP custom account or a fast UDP custom server just by using your phone. So if you know how to create a UDP custom server or an account, you are lucky, but following up this tutorial, you will also learn how to create yourself a fast UDP. There is a difference between creating a UDP custom account and creating a fast UDP custom account. So this is how we are going to do it. First and foremost, start by subscribing for more tutorials like this. Like the tutorial and let us continue to our Google Chrome. So we're going to open any form of browser, Google Chrome and other forms of browser, but specifically in today's tutorial I'll use Google Chrome. So once you open Google Chrome, you're going to go to your search bar and then search fast. You're going to search fast SSH like that, UDP custom, and then you go. After, you're going to open this website, which will be first in your results, and then we're going to give it some few seconds so that you can be able to access this website. Don't forget to subscribe, share this story with your friends. So it will request you to watch a short advert, which you're going to watch so that you can be able to use this server for free.
PC HelpSoft Driver Updater is a safe and efficient way to update all of your device drivers.
Server. So make sure that
drivers improves the performance, stability, and security.
So after, you're going to close and then scroll down, and then you'll be able to select on this one. You can check this is page number 1, this is page number 2, but I recommend you guys to use page number 1. Then click on this option, which is create a UDP custom account. So you'll be able to see this page. And now the server you're going to keep in United States, the protocol UDP custom, and then the port. You're going to erase this one and then keep to this port 1265535, and then scroll down. First confirm that you're not a robot, and then after confirming that you're not a robot, you're going to come to the username and then put in your username. In this case, we're going to use Marustech256, and then put in your password 123456. That is the password I've used, and then come to this option, which is create account. Give it some few seconds to load, and then it will be able to create a UDP custom account. So if you don't know how to use this UDP custom account, or if you don't know how to apply it to get a secure connection, let me know in the comment section. I'll be guiding you through how to use this account. So this is my username, this is the password, this is the server, and that is the expiry date. So let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Marustech and I sign out.